Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to make a wooden sign good for all seasons using some wood planks and a ornament from the Dollar Tree. I got a grab bag of wooden pieces, just random size pieces at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to hold 3 of the planks that were in there together with 2 skinny pieces of wood, one at the top and then I'll put one at the bottom. I'm using some craft glue down first and then some hot glue as well to hold it in place. And with the craft glue, I'm hoping it will hold it tighter than just the hot glue itself. And then once that's together, I've got some acrylic paint and I'm going to do a faded effect of a dark brown into a maroon and then into black. I got this idea from a bottle of lotion that had a similar design where it was faded in the background, but then it had distorted looking lights, almost like Christmas tree lights, hanging vertically from top to the bottom. Just orbs of light, looked real festive and almost magical. So I'm going to start with this background here. I use the brown first and then the maroon, and I'm just going to fill it in and kind of blend it together. I do have to forewarn you, I was having some camera problems, and I'm embarrassed to admit, but there was a time that I thought I was recording and I actually wasn't. But hopefully this will still inspire you, possibly give you an idea to make your own creation. So now that the background's done and dried, I'm going to use a tan, a peach, a white, and then I've got a gold and a rose gold acrylic paint. I'm putting the tan down first in orb shapes, just circles. As I had mentioned, almost like Christmas lights hanging vertically, but if you were to put a filter on them and distort it and make it look almost dreamy. So I'm putting the orbs down there, and then I'll go back through and I'll add peach circles. And I'm trying to make them look as if they're fading down. Actually, almost like a firecracker, you know, where it explodes and little sparkles come off the bottom. When I add the peach, I'm careful to butt it up against the tan color, kind of give it a 3D effect. And then I went through with the white. And then I'm going to go through with my metallic colors. And then that's the ornament I used. I accidentally wasn't recording when I thought I was recording. But when I was all finished, that's how it turned out. I added a little bit of glitter glue on there and put the sign together. Thank you so much for watching.